This message is for Nigerians, especially the Yorubas. I'm saying this because I want other Nigerians to know. When I get on the throne, you see me talking about this Oni Adeyeye. You will see me talking about what you don't know. I will tell you today. The Governor of Osun State, commissioners, and all. This I heard Oni Adeyeye, but because Ongbe Orisha law, he was holding Orisha as and me, God has put me as above Orisha, as a king. Well, let's look at it. And because of that, as a kingmaker or somebody that helped a king to become the king that I was, he doesn't want me to say the story in the future. He was looking for my downfall. Then the next thing, they packaged a woman. There was a woman that was packaged for me, but I don't know her, from Canada. But it was packaged for me. It was a setup. After they set me up, they were talking to her in our own. She was in my house, and they were talking to her and setting me up. Setting up with videos, setting up with many things. This wife will be this supposedly wife, an ex-wife. Well, it was dead. They sent him to my house, and they were communicating with her. She was there for over 3 years. She had a child, which I don't even know if it's my child now. I have to confirm that through DNA. Because they want her to kill me. She poisoned me 2 times. They set up assassination attempt. They did everything so that maybe the Orisha or the gods will kill me. But they failed. After I kicked this woman, when I found out the secret and I kicked this woman out, it was this Oni Adeyeye Enetogusi that asked him, what was the lady doing with him in the hotel? I won't mention the hotel, but when there's clarification, I will be mentioning. I'm also in senior hotel. Then ìgbà tó òun náà ló gbalé fún àtọmọ àtìyàwó ní Ọọ̀ni Adéyẹyè Ògúnwùsì. Ẹ wá ní mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá jẹ́ wọ ni ìyàwó tó fẹ́ pàwọ̀ ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá o tó bá jẹ́ wọ ni tó bá jẹ́ yìí ni ìyàwó tí wọ́n set sínú ilé ẹ̀ tó wá pa tí ò rí ọ pa. Ìjà yóò lè tán láti máa bá lọ èmi ò sì ṣe pa ọba aṣọ ògùn títí òrìṣà ọtán Ṣàngó ò lè pè mí bàbá mi ní òrìṣà, bàbá mi ní Ṣàngó, bàbá ńlá mi, ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ gbọ́dọ̀ ju bàbá náà lọ. Mo ti dọba lẹ́yìn. Ṣàngó ò lè pa mí, Ṣàngó is a criminal. Ògún ò lè pa mí, Ògún is a criminal. Àwọn bàbá ńlá wa ni, they are not criminals, so they won't be killing their children. Ògún àti Ṣàngó ìpààyàn. Ọlọ́run ọba Olódùmarè nìkan ló mọ̀ gbàtẹ́yìn. Kọ́ máa gbógun tù, kọ́ máa ṣe ogun ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní Ọọ̀ni ó suspend ní Ọọ̀ni lè suspend lọ́ba. Paramount ruler ó suspend another paramount ruler. So ojú mi lọ ní àgbáwò àbó fi pò jù mí lọ. Yamba set 1, 2, 3 ní Ọ̀ṣun kò ṣe pé àwọn paramount rulers wọn ò kàn lè kó gbogbo wa sí number 1 àwọn tá a jẹ́ náà paramount rulers. So kó kálukú lọ máa ń pé n ti ń bẹ lẹ́yìn ọ̀fà ó jòjì lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti ṣe bí sí mi níjọ lẹ́yìn nígbà òun ṣéun àmọ́ wò ó níjọ iwájú àwọn wà máa sọ gbogbo tí wọ́n ti ṣe ilẹ̀ tí màá sọ yóò dá fún mi ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn ilé. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá jẹ́ wọlé tí wọ́n gbà rẹ̀ àbí òun náà ní ẹjọ́ ń lọ ní ẹjọ́ ń gbé ní ẹjọ́ ń sin gbogbo ẹ̀.